Hello everyone, this is your boy Kelvin and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to do Kegel exercise. Good. So let's build our pelvic muscles floor. Let's build that muscles over there, and we are going to use 10 minutes to do it. Okay? Very good. Let's do it. So this frog push, if you're doing it, make sure it's your heels touches, okay? Heel to heel touch. So this way, the muscles of your pelvic will get the benefit. All right, rest. So the next one, let's do it. This one, you open your legs and then you push. You are pushing, make sure you push it more deep. Yeah, you push deep. Yeah, that's it. Good. Okay. Now, next one is going to be same thing, but this time when you push up, you have to squeeze it. Okay, you push up, then you squeeze it. So it's going to be like this. You push up, you squeeze it. You open, down, up, squeeze it. Good. Down and up. You close it and squeeze. Good. Up, you squeeze. Good. You open and down. Good. And up and squeeze. Good. Up and squeeze. Up and squeeze. Oh. Last one and squeeze. Good. Wow. All right, so let's switch it. And let's do, spread your hands. Good. Watch your hips or your knees and move like scissors. Good. Keep moving. Almost there. Okay. And rest. Ooh. So all the burning, only this side, I'm feeling it. So we are trying to push more blood to the pelvic muscles. Very good. So next one, let's move. So next one, you're going to close your legs. You pull up, just stay here. So squeeze your pelvic muscles. Squeeze them. Release it. Squeeze. When you breathe in, you squeeze it. stay there for a while and release. Squeeze, release, squeeze, and release, squeeze, and release. Now this time you squeeze, then you pump. Pump and down. Wow. Ooh, shaking. Very good. So next one, let's do a little bicycle ride. Good. Good. Keep moving. Very good. Good. You're almost there. Keep rolling. All right. Very good. Good. Now this one is going to help the thigh to be strong and the core, and the blood is going to flow all the way there. Pull up. Or you can do it like this, forceful. You squeeze them while you do it. You squeeze your pelvic muscles. Okay. Woo. Very good. All right, so next one, lay down. Nice. Your hands can be here. If you want, your forehead can be down. Good. You flip your legs, your heel touch. You just open it and close. Open and close. Heel to heel. Keep squeezing your pelvic muscles. Go squeezing them. Good. Keep moving. Okay. Woo. All right. Now this time let's do the cross. You cross it. Lift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Very good. Now from here, you rest. Now we are going to stretch it a little bit. From here, now you lift up your legs, your hands hold your foot like this. Good. And here, don't press any muscles, okay? Just press your leg down and feel the stretch. You will feel the stretch from all here to your lower back. There. There. Then you keep stretching. You breathe on it. Now here, if you want, you can squeeze and open. You squeeze your pelvic muscles and you lose it. You squeeze them and lose it. All right, very good. Whoa. So you can keep repeating like this. We have a lot of it, but if you keep repeating it like this, you will find yourself, your pelvic muscles will be more stronger. And this doesn't only help your pelvic muscles, but it also helps your lower back, help your core, and help you from lower back pain. All right, and your bladder will be more stronger, your prostate will be more strong, and you will find yourself, your lower back, your lower down will be more stronger. Okay, so keep this in mind. This is your boy Kelvin, and I'm out.